Working for Health is an award-winning not-for-profit organisation which specialises in mental health and employment. Have a look at our prospectus for our courses and join us for a walk and reconnect with nature, COVID secure naturally. Take a journey inspired by Japanese forest bathing, mindfulness style. Let your stress fade away and reconnect. Lift your well-being and nourish your body and mind. Smell and taste the air. Hear the sounds of the natural world. And let your mind go free. Take a guided walk through a natural environment and experience it as you never have before. You won't believe how well it makes you feel. Working for Health is based in Cottingham near Hull, and if you are out of work and live in Hull, Selby, or anywhere in the East Riding of Yorkshire, then our services are completely free. For the latest dates, just email us at hello@workingforhealth.co.uk or give us a ring on 01482 242 808.